Hello friends, welcome to Career Polygon, Options Infinite. In this video, we discuss career news for Diploma Mechanical, Civil and Electrical Engineering branches. Even though we are discussing for these three branches, there are opportunities are there for other branches also. So please watch this video till the end. We discussed 7 government opportunities, 5 private job opportunities and 5 apprenticeship opportunities. Name of the post: Junior Engineer Grade 2 Civil, scale of pay 27,500 to 97,350. Number of posts 52 posts are there, 52. Maximum age 28 as on 14/11/2020. Age relaxation to be given for as per Government of India rules. Qualification: diploma in civil engineering. Minimum 1 year experience in civil construction work, preferably with the metro rail or railway construction projects. National Capital Regional Transport Corporation (NCRTC) is a joint venture company of Government of India, states of Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and UP under the administrative control of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, which is implementing a regional rapid transit system (RRTS) in National Capital Region, ensuring a balanced and a sustainable urban development through better connectivity and access. All relevant documents should be enclosed with the application. How to apply? Eligible and interested candidates may apply as per the application format in Annex 1 attached to this site. All relevant documents should be enclosed with the application. Details available on the website given with this advertisement. Completed and filled up applications should reach this office latest by 4/12/2020. This is Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Recruitment number 04/2020. Recruitment of non-faculty posts. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar invites online application from Indian nationals for the recruitment of the following non-teaching posts in the institute. The last date for application receiving is 30th November 2020. Technical assistant, total number of posts 23. Essential qualification: diploma in mechanical, civil, electrical, computer science, etc. Pay scale 35,400 to 1,12,400. Next, junior engineer, number of posts 3. Number of posts 3. Essential qualification: diploma in civil and electrical. Scale of pay 35,400 to 1,12,400. Senior technician, total number of posts 8. Essential qualification: diploma in mechanical, civil, computer science, etc. Pay scale is 25,500 to 81,100. Technician, total number of posts 26. Essential qualification: diploma in civil, electrical, mechanical and chemical. Pay scale 21,700 to 69,100. Closing date for submission of online 30th November. Against this advertisement in the online platform ORA of the institute website given in this page. Assam Public Service Commission invites application for the following post. Name of the post: Junior Engineer Civil under the Ministry of Fisheries. Number of posts 18. Scale of pay 14,000 to 60,500 to 80 with a grade pay of 8,700 rupees. Fresh candidates can apply. Eligibility criteria: the candidates must be a permanent resident of Assam. 2. Diploma in civil engineering. Age: candidate should not less than 18 years of age and not more than 38 years of age as on 1/1/2020. Upper age limit is flexible for SC, ST, OBC, etc. Closing date for application online is 27 November 2020. Visit the website of Assam PSC, that is apsc.nic.in. Assam Public Service Commission. Name of the post motor vehicle inspector. Number of post 26. Number. Scale of pay 22,000 to 97,000 of grade pay of 9,400. Eligibility criteria. The candidate must be a permanent resident of Assam. Second is HSSLC with 3-year diploma in automobile or mechanical engineering. Age candidate should have 18 years of age with an upper age limit of 38 years as on 1/1/2020. Closing date of application online is 24 November. NPCIL. Advertisement number RR/HR/01/2020. Recruitment of stipendary trainees, scientific assistant and non-technical and fire personnel at RABS. Category 1. Stipendary trainee bar scientific assistant. Mechanical 61 post. Electrical 22 post. Electronics 22 post. Instrumentation 7 post. Age 18 to 25 years. Next, scientific assistant. Civil 14 post. Mechanical 1 post. Electrical 1 post. Electronics 1 post. Age 18 to 25 years. Next is last date of submission of the application online is 24th November 2020. Apply on npcilcareers.co.in. Urban Development and Housing Department, Government of Bihar. Applications are invited from Diploma Mechanical, Civil, Electrical for the post of Junior Engineer. Last date of application is 7th December 2020. Name of the post Junior Engineer. Number of posts Civil 358. Note that 358 posts are there for Civil, Mechanical 42, Electrical 42. Qualification required: diploma in engineering in civil, mechanical or electrical. Employment temporary basis but chance to get confirmed. There is lot of confirmation is done in this department, Urban Development and Housing Department, Government of Bihar. Heritage Foods Limited. Heritage Group founded in the year 1992 by Nara Chandrababu Naidu is one of the fastest growing public listed companies in India with the 6 business divisions: dairy, retail, agri, bakery, renewable energy and Medca under its flagship company Heritage Foods Limited. Applications are invited for the following posts: boiler technician, maintenance executive. Boiler operation. Location: Rajamundry, Kakinada, Pamaru. Salary per annum 1,25,000 to 1 to 6 years of relevant experience in any dairy, food industry, pharma, manufacturing industry. First and second class boiler certificate with ITI or diploma in mechanical in good academic records. Preferably main candidates only. Local language of Telugu is a mandatory. Indus candidates can share their update the file to ravishankar.m@heritagefoods.in. Note down the details. I will give these details in the description box also. Post maintenance engineer, work location Hyderabad, Uppal. Prerequisites: 4 to 8 years of experience of relevant field, any pharma, dairy industries. Diploma in mechanical. Salary 1,75,000 to 3,25,000 per annum. Indus candidates can share the updated profile to the described web address, email address. Dear friends, for fresh diploma holders in mechanical, electrical, civil, food technology holders, please note this. There is an opportunity for drop your resume in the Heritage Foods site. Please, you can drop your resume, and whenever the vacancies are arisen, they will call you. Please note that drop your resume option. That is, you go to the site careers.heritagefood.in. Opportunities in L&D Construction. L&D Construction, India's largest construction organization and ranked among the world top 30 contractors, has been over the past 7 decades transforming the cityscapes and landscapes with the structures of immense science and grandeur. The company's capabilities span the entire gamut of construction, civil, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation, engineering, and its services extend to all core sectors, industries and infrastructure projects. L&D Construction invites application from the eligible candidates for the post of engineer, senior engineer or assistant manager in QA/QC. Name of the post: engineer, senior engineer or assistant manager, QA/QC. Age 27 to 30 years maximum. Qualification experience: engineering graduates or diploma in civil. 4 years to 6 years experience is needed. Competencies and skill set desired. Candidate should have relevant technical knowledge of QA/QC, experience in civil works in tunnels, metro rail, substation projects, good computer knowledge with general software such as MS Office, MS Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Please note this information that for fresh diploma holders, even though they are not experienced, L&D has there is a drop your resume platform. Fresh diploma holders can use drop your resume platform in L&D career portal and apply online for future post. Also, there is no matching post for you. For experienced hands in this notification, they can also go for drop your resume option in L&D construction. Next is Sulzon India. Freshers post. Posted diploma trainee engineer. Application invited from diploma holders who have passed out in 2019 and 2020 file some students. Job description: diploma trainee engineer, post successful completion 1 year, the junior engineer. Location: readiness to deputed in remote OMS site location at any of the stations within India where Sulzon operates. Candidate screening and selection process: electrical diploma holders 2000 pass out only and 2020 appearing final semester. Candidates only should apply for this post. Should be a fresher only without any experience. Academic grades: first class in 10th, first class in diploma with no pending backlog. Physical fitness: physically fit with no medical history and having physical endurance to climb 90 to 100 meters tall wind turbine towers. Selection criteria: technical test, written multiple choice test and a personal interview. Sulzon.com.in careers for job opportunity. SCK India Industrial Service Private Limited. Diploma engineer trainee mechanical fresher, machining and forging department. Position: diploma engineer trainee 100 numbers, fresher or 1 year experience. Department: production for machining and forging department. Education: diploma in mechanical fresher. Industry: automotive industry. SCK India Industrial Service Private Limited, established in 2006 as a pioneer in operation and maintenance O&M outsourcing company with KPI model, including plant maintenance audit, process productivity improvement, staffing business in various sectors on pan-India basis. STK India offers full range of production, maintenance, process and quality inspection services starting from the erection to day operation and maintenance. We extend AMC services by engaging relevant skilled manpower with proper monitoring by our expert. This is a good sector and BTech diploma in mechanical can go for. Of evaluation engineer pan India. Car24 is looking for experience in after sales with a trusted OEM, Honda, Hyundai, GM, Toyota, BMW, etc. Strong customer handling skills, strong technical expertise in understanding of engine parts, components and everything technical. Valid driving license, should have worked as an evaluator in used car dealership or in an authorized service center. Contact person Shivansh Tyagi. The contact number is given in the site. If interested, share your CV with shivansh.tyagi1@cards24.com. Apply immediately. Next is apprenticeship training. ISRO. Under the Apprenticeship Act 1961, applications are invited for the selection to the positions of technician apprentices from the candidates who have diploma from a recognized university board coming under the western region of Board of Apprenticeship Training. There is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. Positions are in SAC, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad, which is a leading center of Indian Space Research Organization, Department of Space. SSC focus on design of space-bound instruments for terrestrial and planetary missions of ISRO and development and operation section of space technology for national development. Technician apprentice electronics and communication engineering, technician apprentice mechanical engineering, technician apprentice computer engineering, technician apprentice electrical engineering, and technician apprentice civil engineering. Upper age limit 35 years as on 23rd November 2020. Important last date of registration is 23rd 11/2020, 17 hours. Apply online only. Read the general condition instruction for filling the online application carefully. Next is Bharat Electronics Limited, a leading Navratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Defence. Its Machilipatnam unit proposed to engage 50 graduate engineering apprentices and 26 technician diploma apprentices under the Apprenticeship Act 1961 for a period of 1 year apprenticeship training in the following branches. Branches are Diploma Apprentice, Mechanical Engineering 12, Computer and Commercial Practice 2, Electronics 5, Electrical Engineering 2, Civil Engineering 5. Last date of receipt of application is 26/11/2020. A pass in diploma in respective discipline. Candidates should register their candidature as apprenticeship on the web portal of mhrd.nats.gov.in. Technician apprenticeship in Institute of Plasma Research Institute, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. About the Institute of Plasma Research (IPR) is an autonomous physics research institute located in India. The institute is involved in research in aspects of plasma science, including basic plasma physics, research on magnetically confined Holtz plasmas, and plasma technologies for industrial application. Plasma Research Institute. How to apply? Interested candidates are requested to enroll themselves on MHRD's NATS portal, that is portal.mhrdnats.gov.in. Then they visit, after that enrolling in the NATS portal, they should visit IPR website, that is www.ipr.res.in, and apply online on or before 22/11/2020 till 5:30 p.m. Next apprentice training is IOC Pipeline Division. Number of posts 436 for Diploma Mechanical, Electrical and Civil. There are some posts for other department also. Candidates are advised to register as a technician apprentice online with the Board of Apprenticeship Training Board at portal.mhrdnats.gov.in. You should register in MHRD's NATS portal to apply for the IOC's apprenticeship training. Number of posts 436, Diploma Mechanical, Electrical and Civil. Date of opening of online application is 23rd 11/2020. Last date of submission of online application is 19th December 2020. Tentative date for download of admit card is given as 22 December 2020 and tentative date for written examination is 3rd January 2021. Next is engagement of apprenticeship under Apprenticeship Act 1961 in Pipeline Division of Indian Oil Corporation. That is advertisement and notification 30/10/2020. The last date of given is 22 November 2020. Innovative Corporation Rajasthan on job opportunities for BTech holders in mechanical, electrical and civil Till then, see you. Bye bye.